in 2025, with Google Docs, Notion, and countless other writing tools available, Microsoft Word remains one of the most reliable and powerful options for students, professionals, and freelancers alike. In this video, we'll explore why Word is still worth using and what makes it stand out in 2025. First, Microsoft Word is incredibly feature-rich. Beyond basic typing, it offers tools like styles, templates, quick parts, and auto text that save you time and ensure your documents look polished. Whether you're creating reports, resumes, or proposals, Word provides built-in tools that let you work smarter, not harder. Next is robust offline functionality. Unlike some cloud-only platforms, Word works perfectly offline. This is especially important for freelancers, students, and professionals who may not always have reliable internet access. Your work is always accessible, and you can save locally or sync with OneDrive when online. Collaboration in Word has also improved significantly. Features like track changes, comments, and real-time co-authoring allow multiple people to edit, review, and leave feedback efficiently. Unlike older versions, 2025 Word seamlessly integrates collaboration without losing formatting, making it ideal for group projects or client work. Another reason Word is still worth it is its compatibility. Almost every organization, school, and company uses Word or supports .docx files. This means you can open, edit, and share documents with almost anyone without worrying about formatting issues or compatibility problems. Microsoft Word also excels in productivity tools. Features like Editor, Read Aloud, Researcher, and Smart Lookup help you write faster, catch grammar and style errors, and even gather information for your documents without leaving the app. For students and writers, this is a huge advantage. Finally, Word is extremely customizable. From keyboard shortcuts to custom templates and macros, you can tailor the app to fit your workflow perfectly. For anyone serious about productivity, this flexibility is a game changer. In short, Microsoft Word remains a top choice in 2025 because it combines powerful features, offline reliability, collaboration tools, compatibility, productivity enhancements, and customization options. It's more than just a word processor. It's a complete writing and productivity platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and tech insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.